Now, here is where we're going in 2025 and beyond. I've been talking about this when it comes to your premium courses for forever. This is not a standalone course. This is not something you're just throwing together and putting on the internet for people to buy. When it comes to your premium courses, here's the key that's going to unlock people willing to pay you more for your courses, people willing to pay more for your services. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses in digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Some party peeps, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I'm going to bring this one really quick as usual and straight to the point. We talk all things premium courses, luxury mentorship, coaching brands, and how to really build those out no matter where it is that you're starting from, whether you already have a product or service or you're just starting a business from scratch, okay? From the ground up, this is where you come to get all of the gems about creating those premium courses. In my opinion, premium courses are the fastest and easiest way to start a business as well as to grow and scale a business. And so today I want to talk about out of the box, what's going on IG. I see you on as well. If you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. Okay, happy Saturday, back at you, Tate. I appreciate that, feeling the hair on today. I'm getting ready to go get my workout on, but I needed to bring this real quick because a lot of us, especially high performers, okay, navigating out of corporate, navigating in building a business, starting a business, scaling a business, we get stuck in a box sometimes, okay? Even as we consume content from different creators and seeing some of our favorite influencers online and how they're doing things, we start to put ourselves in this box. And so I did that when I first started, especially when it came to how I was going to design my courses, and I don't want that for you. And so let's talk a second. Let me define some terms real quick so that we know what we're talking about as we go through this episode, and you can start to apply this to building out your own premium courses. So there are typically three ways that most people talk about creating courses. There's the DIY, WY and DFY. Let me break those down real quick. DIY, as we know, is do it yourself, okay? So this is where you are encouraging and empowering your students through resources that you might have, whether it be like an ebook or a self-study course. They're going to go through the material themselves and apply it themselves, okay? So DIY, think of like a DIY project that you have around the house, something that you've been working on and you're doing it yourself. You're watching YouTube videos and tutorials and trying to figure out exactly how to do it. Now, I am not a huge proponent of DIY these days. Do I have some things that I still offer people who are navigating into this world so that they get a fuller understanding of what premium courses are? Absolutely. Okay. So there are some resources that you can grab that will help you take action on what it is that you're studying, but it's not going to get you the maximum result. Let's keep it all the way real. Okay. Never going to get you the maximum result as it would if you hired the job out or if you had somebody helping you do this thing. And so DIY, you're still spending endless hours and time and effort trying to figure this thing out on your own. Think about how long you've been watching YouTube videos. A lot of the clients that I work with, they typically spend somewhere between 6 months and 2 years thinking about a course, okay? Before they jump in and they're like, okay, I need to hire you to help me get this done. So that brings us to the next piece, which is DWY. It stands for done with you. Done with you services are typically when you're going to hire somebody, you have the blueprint, you understand, not necessarily all the nuances, but you understand the strategy for getting something done, but you just need some assistance, some coaching as you go through the process, right? You want somebody there with you to really walk you through step by step. So that's going to be your done with you services. And then our last piece, the third way that you can create courses are done for you services, right? So done for you services are basically these components where you do all the work as the expert, as the creator, and then you just give it to your clients. All right. So I want you to think like, let's say you are still working. Let's stick with the home project, okay? You have some projects around your house. You go down to Home Depot, okay? They cut out the door frame, they bring the door, they install the door, they do all the things. And what are you left with? The result, okay? So you hired the project out instead of doing it on your own. Now, here is where we're going in 2025 and beyond. I've been talking about this when it comes to your premium courses for forever. This is not a standalone course. This is not something you're just throwing together and putting on the internet for people to buy. When it comes to your premium courses, here's the key that's going to unlock people willing to pay you more for your courses, people willing to pay more for your services. You're going to combine all three. Okay, so there are components of do it yourself, there are components of done with you, and there are components of done for you inside your premium services. Now, you're going to have to know as the expert which of these come into play at which times for your specific clients. So every client that comes to you, every mentee or student that you have flowing through your programs, there may be different entry points for them to get the maximum results out of the services you provide. Does that make sense? So some of your clients may need more do-it-yourself stuff or may feel more inclined, right? Because they're used to the do-it-yourself. But then there are going to be some students who come right in and they go, I want the done for you stuff first. Okay. And then you can pinpoint different areas in which you utilize all three of these methods to help your clients get results. So we're no longer focused on just one method at a time. Again, this is a mindset I had coming out of corporate, was that I had to fit my courses into a box, right? Or I had to fit my services into a box. What's going on, y'all? I see y'all on IG. I appreciate y'all. I had to fit my services into a box. And so I had to end up switching that mindset when I got into courses and kind of reminding myself constantly, this is my business. I could get to run it how I want to run it. It gets to be fun. It gets to be creative. It gets to be all of those things. And so that's important to me. What is going on? Mason, I see you on. Who else we got on here? Let me go ahead and remove you because that's not what this channel is for, but I hope you have a great day. Who else we got? Hello, what's going on, Skull1234? I appreciate you. How do you generate clients? That's my problem. Putting yourself out there. So there are so many different episodes on this channel. If you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, know that I appreciate you. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notifications so you don't miss out on new episodes that drop like this. I do love hanging out with you guys live, answering questions, all of those things. And that's a great question. And so you need to just start putting yourself out there. You need to start talking about what it is that you do. Start talking about your story. Here's the other thing when it comes to stepping outside of the box. Please don't think that transparent means you have to tell everything about your story, because you don't. Okay, you don't have to tell everything about your life, the things that you want to withhold. Like, transparency doesn't mean tell everything. There's also a right way to package the information that you are providing. But again, these are things that you don't know and you don't come to understand, especially about your audience, until you start putting yourself out there. Kev5 Aqua, is it? Hello. It's good to see you. I appreciate all of y'all. Minnesota in the building. Okay, I appreciate it. Let me know where else you guys are watching from. I always love the global reach and figuring out where this message is reaching. That's all I really wanted to bring on today. Redub Labs, what's going on? It's good to see all of y'all on this morning, this Saturday morning. But I need to get that out, okay? So DIY, done for you, do it yourself, done for you, and done with you services. We need to wrap those all together when it comes to your premium courses, okay? Denver in the building. What's going on, Zeb? It's good to see you. Is it Zeb Akonjo Brown? I hope I pronounced that correctly. I like your name. Watching from Denver. I love it. I love the global reach here. All right, y'all. Make sure that you share this with somebody who needs some help packaging premium courses or just needs some inspiration as they are going along their entrepreneurial journey. Share this out. That's how we reach more people. I really appreciate you. Also, just hit the like button, okay? That's going to help with the global reach as well. I appreciate the support. Dora Ray, what's going on in North Carolina? Hello. I appreciate the energy on this morning. I really appreciate y'all today. Thank y'all so much for being here. I love interacting with y'all. So again, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notifications so you know when more episodes like this drop, and get this out to somebody who needs it. All right, have an amazing day today, y'all. I'll see y'all back here. Maybe I'll get to pop on tomorrow. Typically I'm on definitely Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you have questions or you're just looking for some entrepreneurial tips and advice, some ways to start packaging, new ways and fun and exciting ways to start packaging what you know to help more people, this is the place to be. I love y'all. I'll see y'all back here next time. Bye, y'all.